welcome to Gruvgear Wish Wednesday. Alright guys, so this is Subscribers Day. Usually I am the one who decides what's coming out here on this channel, and in some way I still do that on Wednesdays as well, but you have the power here. You wish for songs, I choose one or two, and that's what I'm gonna give you today. Today we have you, Baldwin. You asked for a song from Rilès. It's called End of Survival. Okay, so Rilès, not sure what your name really is there, but you are popular on this channel, so this is for you, Baldwin, all you other Rilès fans out there. Let's go into it. End of Survival, no need for any cape on this one. All right, so we have 3 different chords that it rolls in a 4-chord progression in the same way through the entire song. All right, so let's look into the chords. We got now you work with B minor first, and you place in his finger on the 2nd fret as a bar, and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom, and not like this, like that. All right, and then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. All right, that's the B minor. Next is F sharp minor. You just move up 1 string pretty much. Still a bar. This time you need to bar all strings there on the 2nd fret, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th D. And the final chord is E, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Okay, so there we have the different chord, and the chord progression will be B minor, F sharp minor, E, and back to B minor. So it both starts and ends on B minor. So let's go into the strumming. That one is a little bit different. Okay, so we have a long one. It goes like this. So on. All right, so you're gonna start with the 2 downs first, down, down, so it kind of pauses in between there, and then comes up, down, and then finally down, up. What's different here in this strumming is that the next round of strumming comes right after that final down, up, and then you need to be very fast with the switches to the next chord, F sharp minor, and then you start a new round with that down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So you're kind of falling forward here. So if I take down the tempo a little bit, it goes like this, from B minor to F sharp minor. Then you go into a new round. So what you're gonna play here is, as you maybe understand by now, B minor 1, F sharp minor 1, E 1, and back to B minor 1. So in tempo. Next round. And that's it. So it just runs in that way. I think you have to practice this strumming to just get the feeling for it. And the challenge here could be to have these chord switches as fast as they are needed. Start slowly, practice, and work your way up there to this tempo. And that is how I handle a Rilès song called End of Survival. Thank you, Baldwin, for being here on this channel. And if you have a song, not you, just you, Baldwin, but everybody else who's watching here, you want to learn, leave me a comment. I read everything, and I choose 1 or 2, depending on if we had the artist a lot recently, or if you're new wish for this song, or just if it's a song that just fits this channel, then it's a high possibility it's your song next time. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.